4:45 p.m. for north central Benton and Henry counties. At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Cottage Grove, or 9 miles north of Paris, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been reported by the public. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris Landing State Park, Cottage Grove, Perrier, Jonesville, Foundry Hill, Crossland, Como, Buchanan, India, Mill Creek, Osage, Sunnyside, Woodlock, Porter Court, Conyers,ville, Pine Hill, and Big Sandy Unit Tennessee National Wildlife Refuge. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Henry, Tennessee. Here are some